How's it going today? Johnny here, and today I'm going to show you my investment account. It's been some time now. Last video I did was on CCL, or Carnival Cruise Line. If you guys want to check that out, you're more than welcome to. The link will be above this video and also down below. So guys, this is just a test run on a video that I wanted to do. We're at $676. We're up 8% for the day. We're up $41, or almost 7% for the week. We're also up $32 or 5 cents for the month. Now we're starting to make some of that back at only a $37 loss in 3 months. Now overall for 1 year, as you can see here, I was up almost $31, and then I was down $32, and so now I'm only down 78 cents, which is actually really awesome. I'm making a lot of those gains back. All in all, guys, year to date, since August 11th, 2017, when I started using the Robinhood app, I am up $442 or 188%. Now, this account has grown to $1,000 twice. The second time I got it to $1,200 and lost the $60 here, and I decided, you know what, let's just go ahead and sell everything off. We'll take a loss, so that way we don't suffer any more casualties, or basically money lost. So I could have held on to it. Who knows what could have happened. I mean, the prices right now in the stock market are almost halved, or 40% less than what they were 3 months ago. It's actually pretty ridiculous. I was up to $713 is what it's saying on this account. But it doesn't show that I had the $1,200 in. So once the $1,200 is put back in, it'll actually regulate and fix some of the percentages and earnings overall, and I'll have a better understanding of pretty much what I lost and how much I lost. Now, $60 on a $1,200 account isn't very much money, guys, to lose. I just didn't want to lose more. That's why I pulled out. So now we're doing this video basically just to show that I am still here, I am still investing, but don't really want to do an official what's inside my portfolio until I get to that $1,300 mark. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Just a quick update here. I will show you some stocks now that we scroll through of what I currently have invested in. 5 shares of IVR, 1 share of TWO, 3 shares of CPRX, 5 shares of NAT, 8 shares of AUY, or that is a gold company, 10 shares of GLAD, 3 shares of NRZ, 1 CHY, 10 of GAIN, 5 of STWD, 1 AGNC, 1 RVLV, 1 IRM, 1 share of MAIN, 1 share of LTC, 1 of AN, PFE, O, and INTC. And that is pretty much all I have in my portfolio right now, which gives you the total of $675. So if you guys want to learn any more about the stocks I mentioned, or want me to do a video on any of the stocks in my portfolio, simply ask and drop a comment in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. It really helps for people to find this video, and I hope you guys share it with your family and friends. Have a great day, stay inside, and stay safe.